Alright guys, this is just a better video on how to set this trap. So as you can see, here's a trap. So what you're going to do is you're going to get this little rod here and you're going to put it right through the middle. So you put it in and it comes in through the center here. So you can see once it's through the center, you're going to push down, and once it's down, hold down the bar. So what happens is this little part here grabs on, and that's what's holding it open. But remember, hold pressure on this the bar, because that's what's holding it open. So once that is done, you see this little end piece, you can put it right through this little hole, and now it's set. So what happens is when the gopher comes, it's pushing dirt, and once the dirt hits this plate, it crushes the gopher. So hope this is a better explanation of how to set this trap.